When I found out I won the sweepstake, I was pretty surprised. My neighbors have noticed the solar panels and they've asked me questions about how I got them and who provided them. My family and friends were pretty surprised and a little in disbelief when they found out that I won the sweepstakes. The whole experience of winning the solar panels and installation and everything has been real smooth and great with POWERHOME Solar, and the installers were professional. I was able to talk with some of the installers and they showed me some of the stuff I needed to know to operate the system. I hadn't done much research into solar panels previously, but it was something that I was always somewhat interested in. The solar panels are projected to reduce my electricity bill pretty significantly. I would say it is important for me to be energy efficient and eco-friendly. I believe I entered the sweepstakes because it was a promotion tied in with the Detroit Lions on their Facebook page. I've been a fan of the Detroit Lions for over 30 years. My favorite Lions memory would be the first game I attended when Barry Sanders crossed the 2,000-yard threshold against the New York Jets.
POWERHOME Solar. It's time to own your power.